So this is a very interesting question. So if I ask you, have you ever imagined that when you are using your smartphone to just watch the videos, just text messaging, or you are chatting with your friends on the messenger, or might be you are using WhatsApp, you are using Facebook, you are doing some search results. Have you ever imagined a single smartphone user how much data they generate in a day or in a month or in a year? Have you ever think? If you know the answer, you are genius. But my friend, if you don't know the answer, so watch this video till the end. You will be understand what we are going to be discuss today. Yes, my friend, you got it right that we are going to discuss in this video about the big data. What is big data? What are the different data source big data? We are going to discuss in this video. So my name is Arun Chaudhary and welcome to my YouTube channel CloudBrainsArun Learning with Arun Chaudhary. So please be with me on this video. We are going to discuss lots of key features, different parameters, characteristics about the big data, what are the different data source from where data is going to be generated, and what are the different form or different terms in which a data can be generated. Thank you. So guys, you will not believe if I say a single smartphone user generate somewhere 40 exabyte data. Yes, 40 exabyte data when he's browsing videos, chatting, and just spending his time on the social media platform, e-commerce website. So a single smartphone user average in a month generate up to 40 exabyte data. So now can you imagine how many smartphone users are around the globe? It's just an example of the smartphone. We are having tablets, we are having smart TV, we are having our laptops, we are having desktops. So everything is generating a data. Now you understand the picture of big data. The big data is nothing. It's the huge amount of the data which is generated by different devices, different technology, and coming from the different sectors and from different data source. So in this video, we will be discuss about the key features that from where the maximum data is going to generate. So as per an example or as an assumption, the Facebook is going to be generate somewhere around 5 millions data in a day. WhatsApp generate more than 2 millions data in a day. And YouTube generate up to 5 millions data in a day when you are searching your video. More than billions of users are searching on the Google and other e-commerce platforms and also on the social media platforms. So now can you think how we can analyze this? So now take an example. If I want to understand that how many users are searching about big data current time on Google, how you can analyze? Because as I say, billions of users are searching different kind of the information. So guys, if you use normal data management tool, traditional data management tool, they are not going to help in this scenario. So we use special hardware, we use special data analytics tool and special kind of the data management tools which used to analyze, visualize, transform the data as per the business requirements. So guys, if I need to explain the big data in a one-line definition, so big data is the collection of data that is huge in the volume, continuously growing the data with the real-time data, and the data which the large size, very complex, and coming from the different data sources like social media, e-commerce websites, you can say that Google's video searching. It is coming from the, let's suppose, hospitality sector, it's coming from the airlines, aviation sector, it's coming from the healthcare industry, it's coming from the different data source. So that is called big data. So guys, when we say who are going to manage this data. The billions of terabyte data, exabyte of the data is generating every hour, every day, right? So who is going to manage the data? Who are responsible to analyze the data? You have Facebook account. Everyone have Facebook account. Even I have a account. So how would I come to know that how many people are liking my post? Same example, if I'm uploading my video on YouTube, so how would I come to know how many people are going to subscribe my channel? How many people are going to watch my video? What is the average duration of watch time? From which geography users are coming? The audience are coming. So all these are the job of data engineer. So yes, my friend, as your data engineer, this is the second video where we are going to discuss about the big data. In the next upcoming module, we'll be discuss what are the Azure storage services available to store your big data, right? So we'll be discuss in this next module Azure big data storage services and also the analytics tool, right? So guys, Azure data engineer are responsible to analyze this entire data, millions, billions of terabyte of the data, exabyte of the data. They are responsible to manage, clean, analyze, transform, and visualize the data in the readable format for as an end user, for as an administrators, or for the business owners. So guys, when this exabyte of the data, millions, billions terabyte of the data is generating, who are responsible to manage this data? Who are going to analyze the data? Take an example. I just upload a Facebook post and I want to know how many people like my post, who comment over there. So how, because Facebook have billions of users, how it is going to be analyzed very fast and I'm getting result. Another example, I am having my YouTube channel. I'm going to upload this video, obviously. So how do I come to know how many people are watching this video? What is the average watch time? From which geography people are coming? What is the age group? They are the male, female, from which category they are going to be belong? What is their interest? So how do I come to know? So all these analytics tool are responsible. Big data analytics tool are responsible. Yes, my friend, this video is the part of our last video where we discuss about the Azure data engineer job profile. We discuss about the DP203 course overview, Azure data engineer job profile, and what are the different modules are there. So this is the second video of that series. We are going to discuss in this module what is big data. The upcoming module will be discuss what are the different big data storage tool available in Microsoft Azure and what are the different big data analytics tool available in Microsoft Azure. So yes guys, data engineers are responsible to manage all these operations. They are responsible to analyze the data. They are responsible to transform, clean, and visualize the data so you can see all the data in the user friendly format. I hope you got my point, what I want to say about the big data. So guys, as a data engineer, we divide big data terms in 5 Vs. Yes, 5 Vs. What is these things? One by one will be discussed. Volume, how much volume of the data you are having. We have next is variety. What are the different variety data is coming. Third is called veracity. And fourth is called velocity. And fifth called value. So yes, my friend, volume, variety, veracity, velocity, and value. So we'll be discuss one by one about these terms. So yes, my friend. So let's take an example. Nowadays, COVID is spreading around the globe. Even in India, situation is very bad. You guys are seeing. So take an example of a healthcare industry, how they can use big data in the, so how they can use big data in the healthcare industry. So guys, take an example. Nowadays, every day you are seeing that more than 4 lakh cases are coming in India. So how they are calculating, how government is calculating how much patients are coming for COVID, right? Take an example, the healthcare industry generates somewhere around 300 or more than 300 exabyte of the data every year they are generating in form of patient details, patients mean recovery status, or you can say the health status, patient reports, different diagnostic reports. It can be like x-rays, CT scan, their other blood samples reports or some other reports. And in case of their medicines, what are the medicine stock they are having, and all these things they are generating in form of the data. So a healthcare industry generating this data. Now how big data analytics tool can help a organization? Take an example, how government come to know that today 4 lakh case come, 3 lakh plus people get, 3 lakh plus people get recovered, somewhere 4,000 dead, which is really not look good. Okay, and how they come to know in which state this is growing, in which state this is under control, how government is calculating. So the data engineers are using big data analytics tool. So guys, as I say, we divide big data in 5 Vs. So volume mean how much data is it generating. As I have given you an example that healthcare industry generate more than 300 plus exabyte of the data in a year in form of that patient details, the reports, medical stocks, and you can say their other diagnostic report as well. Second is called Veracity. Veracity basically in one line it define how accurate and trustworthy is this data. Take an example, someone got COVID report positive. So how it is going to help doctors to recover him very fast, because if you know that this is a trustworthy report, it's an accurate report, so they will give him proper treatment and patient will be get more soon, they will be get recover. The third part is called variety. Variety means the data is coming from different data source. Every organization using different kind of the data stores to store their data. Example, they can use structured data, they can use semi-structured data, and they can use unstructured data. So when I speak this from the Microsoft Azure perspective, the structured data is called SQL database, semi-structured data is called Azure Cosmos DB, and unstructured data is called Azure Storage Account. So for storing these kind of the different data source, we use a common storage account for big data, which is called Azure Data Lake Storage Generation 2. Right, my friend? The third point is called velocity. Velocity means how much real time is data. Nowadays you seen people are spreading that if you need bad oxygen, you need this, and you need plasma. They are spreading the numbers. 100 of numbers I am receiving. But how much real time the number, how much they are updated? Because people are spreading as they got, they are forwarding. So how valuable and how is realistic is this data? That is the third point, which called, sorry, that is the fourth point, which called velocity. And last is valuable. How valuable is this data for an organization? How this data can be help a organization to grow and get up-to-date information. So guys, what are the benefits of having the big data? It help you. Let's suppose if you are using a traditional method, you need to manually find out, or maybe you need to search in the Excel sheet to get the patient information. I'm taking example of a healthcare industry, right? But when you have the big data, we have big data analytics tool which calculate millions, billions of the petabyte, exabyte data within few minutes or within the second, and give you accurate report which help organization to quickly take the action. Someone like my video, within a second I come to know that who like my videos, how many likes are on my video, who subscribe my YouTube channel, because YouTube also generating billions of the data. The same way when a COVID patient is getting recovered, it's mean this is updating on the real-time data itself, right? So these are the benefits. It help you to give the more accurate and more confident answer when you are using big data analytics tool. So guys, now in the last, we are going to discuss some of the, you can say that use case where the big data analytics technology, or you can say big data use. Social media, e-commerce website, aviation industry, hospitality industry, you can say like aviation industry. You can take example weather department. There are hundred of different examples where we can use big data. Everywhere data is generating. In case of data logs, you are generating data in any other terms or any other format, data is generating. So we use different data analytics tool. So guys, I hope you will like this video. If you like this information, please like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also share with your friends. So thank you so much, and I will meet you soon in my next video, which is called Azure Data Lake Storage. It's a way, or you can say it's a storage where you can store your big data in Microsoft Azure. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay safe and stay at your home. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.